right, well, welcome to another adventure with Unplugged Adventuring. Today we are doing a bit of ice fishing. We are out here at Silent Lake Provincial Park, and we just set up, and we just we just made our first hole, and we are flooded out. I'm gonna show you in a second, and it looks like a swimming pool. So here it is. It's a couple inches of water. Jeff's eating a sandwich. The plan right now is to move over there and shovel at another spot. We're not sure what happened, but we are going to figure it out because that's the fun of it. Anyways, I'm starving. I'm hungry. Hopefully when we come back, we'll have some better luck. But it is a gorgeous day. It is super beautiful, as you can see. Just wonderful. Anyways, this is where we're at. Jeff, anything you'd like to say?
I'm hungry.
He's hungry. I'm starving, and yeah, so we'll be with you shortly. Hopefully I don't have any boogers frozen to my nose. Anyways, we'll see you in a bit, and hopefully we will be set up not in a swimming pool. How's it going over there? Is that a good woo or a bad woo? Or is it just a woody woo?
Oh my god. Round 2.
So it's a woody woo, right?
Yeah,
You're doing a good job. Sandwich gave you life. Yeah, actually gave me life too. All right, old man, give me the shovel.
Oh god.
Welcome back. All right, so we finished shoveling the second spot. Oh my god. And we ended up having another flood out of our hole. So what we're doing now is we're shoveling, Jeff is shoveling, I will be helping, a third spot behind me here to just move the tent, and we decided we're just going to be fishing outside of the hut because it's just water everywhere. This is all new to me. I'm used to fishing in a hut that's already has a hole. This is my first time doing this. This is Jeff's second time doing this, in terms of like making our own holes and stuff like that. So this is kind of new. We thought maybe, we'd let it flood out and then it would freeze, but that obviously would take way too long. Moved a spot, flooded out again. So we are problem solving by clearing out a space, moving the hut, staying in the snow, and then fishing outside of the hut in the holes that we've already made. What?
What a ridiculous day. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, we haven't even fished yet.
No, I put a line down.
Oh yeah, you did drop a line.
In the pool.
So the update is Jeff has made a tea. And I'm eating bullock cake for my West Indian fans out there.
Yeah, where's mine?
Oh, here.
Where's my slab?
Anyways,
You want the bag or no?
no. So we're in the tent, we're in the hut, and we're in our new spot right now. And it's not flooded out, which is great. we decided that we would take a minute, recharge, eat something, drink. Like, I haven't had any water since this morning, and we've been working pretty hard all day, and I don't want to cramp up. So anyways, we decided to take a bath.
Maybe longer.
Maybe longer. And then we'll head out there and start to fish. But we were both saying, like, it is such a great day out today. Like, it is.
Oh, it's very nice out.
Mhm.
There was a little flurry action earlier. It's nice.
I think it is still flurry, actually. And
It's
the
not-
sun.
It's not terribly cold.
No, and the sun has come out every so often, which is also great. Yeah, so basically we're just going to take a minute, compose ourselves. The day is still young. And then we'll head out there and we'll get our fish on. And hopefully if we can catch something, even a little nibble, is better than nothing.
At least you know there's life down there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think we'll just shovel out two new small holes. Because it's just a swimming pool. As soon as you auger the hole, you have like 3-4 inches of water in the bottom of the tent.
Yeah. That was pretty wild.
Yeah. Plus, it doesn't help. There's like a foot of snow on the ice. So that makes it pretty difficult. That was a hard walk out here. Yeah. And then shoveled 3 open areas.
Mm-hmm.
Like 15 by 10.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know, you're having fun. That's the biggest thing. I'm having fun.
Well, yeah. Not giving up.
Learning lots.
Yeah. Interesting to see what other people do. Like, if you have any tips and tricks, please feel free to leave a comment and let us know.
Mm-hmm.
This has been a slog of a day. My God.
Yeah, like I said, like I've only been used to like going and renting a hut. So this is all new for me. I've not done this. Our last episode, Jeff went out with his buddy Dimitri and they had a smooth sailing time. So it just goes to show you how, like, you know, whenever you get out there, you're always learning, you're always trying to figure out how to make it better or things to expect.
Yeah, the
Mhm.
unexpected.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, last time was like smooth sailing. But there wasn't that much snow. Yeah, I don't know why so much water came out. I have to look at that. Yeah, I don't know.
I really don't know.
And that was a lot of water.
hmm
And it just didn't stop. It was like gushing out.
I started to feel a little bit concerned. I was like, so if all the water from down here is coming up out here. Oh my gosh.
Well, the good thing is we're on like 12 inches of black ice, so you know, it's plenty safe. Yeah, so we're just gonna gather ourselves.
Yeah, we're gonna gather ourselves. It's good. It's all good.
It's good.
hmm So in a few minutes, after we rehydrate, we will head out there, and hopefully there will be some action. Some
Oh boy.
See you in a
That
bit.
is the action though. It's not like this.
See you in a bit.
Peace.
Oh my god, stop it. Just because everyone tells you that they love you when you do that.
Yeah, what's wrong with that? Gotta give the fans what they want. Oh, we're fishing.
We are. Okay, so the weather's definitely changed. It's definitely windier. The snow is starting to fall a little bit harder. Still flurry action, but a lot heavier than it was earlier. Still no bites. We're still having a good time, so that is all that matters. Oh my goodness. Like I said, the wind. So, what do we have going on here, Jeff?
Not much. Just doing a little jigging. A little jig in the middle.
Alright, well, it's nighttime.
Well, yeah, we can still see shore, so we're trying to get out of here real quick.
Yeah.
It looks a lot lighter in the camera, but it's getting dark.
Yeah, it's getting dark and it's like whiteout conditions.
Yeah.
It like literally changed. It was nice, but then it just got like, it got a little extra.
Yeah.
So we didn't catch anything.
No, still had a good day though.
Oh my god, we had such a fun time.
Yeah.
It was actually, I had a lot of fun. It was a great way to be outside and just do something different. Yeah, we're hoping to get out next weekend, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah.
And yeah, maybe we'll have better luck. Who knows? But with that being said, I think it's time to make the long trek back.
Yeah, we gotta pull these sleds back.
Yeah.
And, pack up and drive back home.
And drive back home, yeah. But all in all, an awesome time.
Yeah, great time.
Yeah.
Even though we didn't catch anything. We had some trials and tribulations. Hopefully some of you can help us with those. And yeah, let's just get out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, that's okay too. Thank you so much for subscribing, and we'll see you again soon.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye. Oh my god, I'm so glad I should get up.